Hey pretty girls, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I'll just be showing you guys how to make your own Upart wigs in a quick way. You know, I love quick. So yeah, go ahead and keep watching and see how I do so. Typically, you usually want your parts to be about 2 finger to 1 finger space. I like 2 finger space at the bottom and towards the top. I go ahead and do 1 finger space so that my tracks are closer together and we don't want no track showing. So yeah. I did order these bundles from Amazon. I ordered 4 bundles but only used about 3.5. I used body wave hair. It's a body wave texture. I got, what did I get? 18, 20, 22, 24. This is a beginner friendly way, especially for my girls that don't know how to do hair at all or sew or anything like that. It's easier when you follow the lines, the chalk lines. You can use a white eyeliner to do that, a white crayon even. It don't have to be chalk, but it works easily. When I am laying my last bundle towards the top, I like to lay it flat. I no longer double my wefts and I cut them so that I have a flat surface. So I did not show myself installing this Upart wig on myself, but if you do want to see how I do so, you could go ahead and look on my channel at one of my Upart install videos. Yeah, so go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys as always.